what about this compression breakthrough? Okay, let's go back to this. There's supposed to be this great solar flash.
They're forcing the issue. They're forcing the issue.
Okay.
Who's they?
It started about 3.5 to 4 weeks ago, my understanding in our linear time. Okay, and this compression is literally to force those who simply refuse to evolve
To get it.
out of physicality.
Who is they?
That's what it is.
Cool. Okay.
The gays.
Who are the? Well, it's a collection. It's a collection of.
Benevolence.
My understanding is that the technology actually comes out of the 6th density, and 5th and 4th are all part of it. 4th density has a very specific process and role to play now, and I'm talking about star nations that are in 4th density because they're the closest to us. We have more in common with them on a physical level than we would with 5th density or 6th.
Right.
So when this process really begins to kick in and we start to see a lot of people just leaving, physically leaving in droves, they're being removed from this specific evolution of humanity. They're literally being removed. Now they can always change their mind and say, okay, I get it. I will evolve, and they can commit again to the process.
Right.
But that's a spiritual decision, and that also means a level of genuine spiritual authenticity.
Yeah.
And many of these people, many of these beings are so detached from their own light that they no longer even recognize it.
Yeah, it's been so long.
So they probably will start over as rocks. I don't know. But that's what's going on. This compression has begun, and we're seeing this as part of the Schumann resonance.
Right.
It's rising.
It is just popping. It is just popping off the charts. In fact, half the time they won't even give us the actual readings anymore because it makes no sense to them.
What is
they're like, how can this be happening? And that's because they don't factor in the spiritual component of all existence, and that's what quantum physics is proving.
Okay.
Is that we're all spiritual.
But doesn't the Schumann frequency, isn't that an aggregate of not just Earth's frequency but humanity's frequency as well?
No, it's not. It's actually affecting us. It's coming from somewhere else. The energy that is hitting the planet isn't necessarily coming just from the sun. It's coming from other dimensional realms.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, and with it carries information. Remember, everything is color, light, and sound. Yeah. Everything. All you do is you tweak the frequency, and it becomes matter.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay?
Yeah. Alex,